Hello friends, welcome to Healthylivingfitter channel with Florence Straka. In today's video, we are going to make Greek yogurt green smoothie. It's going to be tasty, it's going to be lovely, and I want you to sit back and see me as I put everything together so you can try it yourself as well. So stay with me as I put everything together. So the ingredient that I'm going to be using in today's video is going to be 1 cup of spinach, which I've already washed, and I'm going to put this in here. Okay, and then I am going to add 1 banana. We're going to be adding 1 banana, so I'm just going to peel this and just make sure that you get all the strings out of the banana. You can see how it's all in there. You don't want to have this in your smoothies. Alright, and then I just scrape the skin, just make sure I don't have anything left on there. And then once this is done, I am just going to just cut this in here. Okay. So as this is done, we are going to add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use any. This one that I'm using is vanilla flavor because I like vanilla, and that's what I'm using. So you can choose to use any kind of yogurt you want, but the option is up to you. But what I'm using today is vanilla Greek yogurt, and I'm going to put that in there. And we are going to add 1/2 glass of water, and I'm going to use a little to rinse this, just the yogurt, so we can have quite a few in here. Okay, and I'm going to add the rest. And then you can add an ice, and add 1/2 cup of ice. I'm not going to add ice to this, but you do have option. You can add that if you want, but I'm not going to use this. But there is an option for you to do that. Alright, and then once this is done, I am just going to cover this. And we are going to see how this is going to come out. Alright, and I'm going to start blending. Okay, now that our blend is ready, I am going to open this and let's see this green smoothie. Oh wow, this is great. Looks really nice, and it have this flavor to it too. So this is our Greek yogurt green smoothie is ready, and I am going to pour this right in here. Oh wow, look at the texture. It's very light. Oh, I like this. So this is like just 1 glass. If you want to make this for more people, you just have to add the ingredients accordingly. As you can see, our green smoothie is ready, and I'm going to give it a taste for this to see exactly how this tastes like. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. It looks yummy already. Hello friends, the Greek yogurt green smoothie is ready. So with the spinach that we put in, there's no taste of the spinach. It just make the color green. You taste the banana, and then the Greek yogurt, you just taste it lightly in there because of the water. Everything mixed together is very, very light. It's very light and it's natural. This is like something you can drink just any time of the day. And for me, when I'm making my smoothie, I like to use simple ingredients, something that doesn't waste time to put together, something that I can put together quickly and drink it, because that's what I drink it every morning. So I like to incorporate different ingredients to make it simple and tasty, but at the same time not to consume too much time for me, consume too much of my time when I'm making it. So this is a very simple smoothie that you can make yourself. 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, and then 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, half glass of water, and your smoothie is ready. It doesn't cost much, it doesn't cost any much time, it doesn't waste too much time to make. So I recommend you try this out. It's really nice. It's just natural flavor. It's like you are just drinking, and it's lovely. I like this, and this is really good for you. Just for 1 serving for yourself, you can make this. Or if you want to make this for the family, then how many people you have, you just have to add the ingredients accordingly. So if this video helps you in any way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also comment, like, share this video if you can help anybody in your family. At the same time, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and keep making good healthy smoothies. Smoothies is good for us, and if you like smoothie where you don't have to, where you want to know exactly what is in your own smoothie, this is the way to do it. So I'll see you on my next video. Stay healthy. Bye.